captain and still catch a wave for less. Take a shot, make a friend, just enjoy the moment. I'm Luke Skywalking on these haters. Celebrate every day like a birthday.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Slim Reshae here, aka Jasmine, and I'm back to you with another video. So today I'll be showing you how I get this green glitter cut crease, cute little So if you're interested in this video, please continue watching. You want to start off by priming your eye, and I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in Deep. I'm just putting this on my eye and blending that out, and I do set it with a loose setting powder. Now we're going in with this beautiful green color above the crease as our transition. And I almost forgot, you want to put tape down if you want a sharp edge on your makeup look. So then we're going in with this darker army green into the crease to give it a little bit of depth. Now we're going in with this brown color just to create a smooth transition into the black eyeshadow that we're about to apply in the outer corner. Now here we are putting this black color in the outer corner and diffusing that into the crease as well. You want to be very careful with a dark color because it's hard to fix. So now we're going in with this liquid eyeliner, and having the tape on your eye really helps with creating a wing, and you're just doing this so you can see where you want your wing to be, but we're actually going to diffuse this out with the black eyeshadow. We don't want a super distinct line, so it can be messy if you want to. Here we are again going in with that black eyeshadow, just diffusing the eyeliner into the outer V of your eye, creating a smoky look. Now you want to use a glitter primer. So for my hoodies, my hooded eye girls like myself, I always start right above where all that skin folds in. So you want to get all the creases and all the crevices. You want to put your primer or your eyelash glue all across there. That way when you open your eye, you can see like everything. You can see all the glitter that you put on. And so now we're just patting the glitter on top of the primer. So here I just wanted to add a little bit more dimension, so I went in with this shiny green mustardy color to add a little dimension on the edge of the glitter, and then again putting some more black into that outer V to smoke it out. After you blend this all out, then you can go in with the greens and the browns and the blacks and do your lower lash line. Now I'm tightlining my lash band to prepare to put on my falsies. First, we must highlight our brow bone and do our inner tear duct. I'm going in with Moonlight from ITSMYRAYERAYE BHCOSMETICS collection. Now we're going to go in with our CoverGirl SUPERSIZER mascara, my favorite of all time. Then I'm going to apply my beautiful Allure lashes, collab with Nicole. Now we're on to the face. So I'm priming my face with this Milk Makeup Blur Stick. It blurs out all of your pores and everything. So if you have large pores, definitely try this out. Then I'm going in with my Marc Jacobs Remarkable Full Coverage Foundation, and this foundation is so bomb. A little bit goes a long way. I always use too much on accident. Literally, one dot goes so far. Now I'm going in with my bronze gold illuminator. This is from Makeup Revolution. It's super affordable, and I just do this to glow, you know, from within. So this adds a nice glow to your makeup. Then to contour, I'm using my foundation stick from Black Opal, and I'm just contouring everywhere that I usually contour. Next, of course, we're highlighting with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in Cool Tan. We're just highlighting everywhere we usually conceal. Then I'm setting that with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder. Again, I'm sorry I didn't show this product. I thought I did, but this powder is actually pretty bomb. Now we're setting that contour with Mocha from the ITSMYRAYERAYE BHCOSMETICS collaboration palette as well. And then, of course, dusting away all of that loose face powder and blending everything together with my Sephora Micro Smooth powder, and this is in Mahogany. Of course, you gotta set your face. And now we're highlighting. We're going in again with the Moonlight highlighter from the ITSMYRAYERAYE BHCOSMETICS collaboration. And then I did my lips with the Sephora lip paint in Pretty Auburn and the lip liner in Molasses. Alright guys, so I just did my little hair or whatever so I can finish up this video. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed making this video. Give this video a huge thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you, Tipo. Bye guys.
Take those that wait up, but don't wait that you've been too long. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up.